Do you own or manage a successful wedding venue, but feel like you're constantly behind the ball and know you can make more money if you could just get ahead? Maybe you're even putting your personal life on hold so you can grow your business, but don't know where to go next. Then I want to share something with you that I think you're really going to like because it's going to help you make more money in your venue without sacrificing more of your personal time and personal life. Let me show you how fixing just a few overlooked but key areas of your marketing funnel can help you to start booking more couples right away and give you a clear vision of what to change next, even if you're busy and the idea of learning something new is overwhelming right now. I've worked with tons of wedding venue owners who, like you, have a great venue, but are stretched too thin in the business to close more sales. You're constantly answering calls and emails from leads. You're taking couples on tours, you're solving problems, and dealing with your staff. It's a dead run from the moment you wake up until you crash into bed at the end of a very long day. But every day is like Groundhog Day, and this cycle just repeats. You know that if you just had more time, you'd make more money. You know that if you just had more time, you'd make more follow-up calls. You know that if you just made more time, you'd make more money by learning how to take your marketing to another level. Well, you're getting bookings and you know you could be getting more, but the idea of responding to even more leads is kind of freaking you out. Maybe you're manually messaging leads, but it's hit or miss. Maybe you're already spending 12, 15, maybe even 18 hours a day working, and you can't imagine how you can book more leads when you're already maxed out on your time and energy. But somewhere in the back of your head, you know that this is harder than it needs to be, that there is a better and easier way to do this, that you can make more money each month and still make time for what matters most to you. You're not alone in this story. I've heard it often, but I want you to know there is a way to get more bookings for your wedding venue in less time, and you can do it without making your life crazier. And I love to share with you the 3 simple steps I've used over and over again to help our coaching students finally see a transformation. These steps have taken driven and motivated venue owners from feeling deflated to finally getting out of the rut and leveling up. And it all started with a few actions. Now they're closing leads in less time, getting more couples to book and show up for the tours, because that's the most important part for them to do, right? And streamlining their day-to-day tasks. If this sounds like what you've been looking for and you're feeling stuck where you are right now, then I want to invite you to a free venue workshop to show you how to grow your business in less time and take back your personal life too. There's a button somewhere on or around this video. Click on it and it will take you to a page where you can register for a powerful venue workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to share with you the exact 3 steps that I use to help stressed out venue owners and managers like you bring in more money and more of the couples you love, but detach from the phone and stop feeling overwhelmed. And the best part is you can start seeing results in as little as 7 days. If you're serious about making this happen, then go ahead and click the link and I'll see you on the next page.